Hi everyone, I hope you're all well and welcome to today's video. In this video we are going to be looking at level 22 to 23, and the goal for this is that our program is running automatically at regular intervals from Cron, the time-based job scheduler. Look in this directory for the configuration and see what command is being executed. This is the exact instruction as the previous one. The difference is in this note that looking at shell scripts written by other people is a very useful skill. The script for this level is intentionally made easy to read. If you are having problems understanding what it does, try executing it to see the debug information it prints. And these are some of the commands we may use to solve this level, similar to the previous one. So this is similar to the previous level, only that now the contents of the file that we are going to be looking at are going to be slightly different. So we log in as usual to Bandit 22. And then from here we navigate to this. Let me clear this. And then this time now we are interested in 23, so I am going to now in this second line we are told that in every minute Bandit 23, this is useful because we need to understand which user is invoking this command. So after every minute Bandit 23 is executing this script, and of course the output is being redirected to this directory. Let us have a look at what this script does. Yes, so again this is a bash script, and this line means that the variable my name is assigned to the user. So this user is Bandit 23, so my name is the same as Bandit 23. Then my target is these two commands. So the first one is that you're going to output this sentence, I am user. So it is going to be I am user Bandit 23, since this variable is Bandit 23. And then so we take I am user Bandit 23 and we pass it through this pipe, so we hash it using MD5. That is what MD5 sum does. So take the output here, pipe it through this MD5 sum, and then we take whatever we're going to get. So do not be confused. All this means is that, and you're going to see it once I execute this, but all this means is just trim the first, I think it is the first or second argument where we're going to have a look so that you understand what it does. But it is going to trim, there's a portion of that hash that needs to be trimmed. And then we output this sentence, copying password file to a temporary directory, and then my target will be the result of this. So as you can see, my target is this variable. The result will simply be a trimmed hash, because we take a sentence, we hash it, and then we trim it. So that is going to be the unique name of the temporary directory here. And then we output it, but then again we never go to see any of this because the output was being redirected to this black hole. Yes, so the question is, what do we do here? Well, this is simple because we of course need we need to know what the name of this directory is. But to do that, we understand that this is Bandit 23. So what we need to do is we need to write this sentence. So I am user Bandit 23. We are not using echo because the reason we used echo is so that it can be output, and because they did not directly write the name of the user. But we can do that so that it becomes an output. Yes, so that it becomes an output, and then we will pipe it ourselves, MD5. So we just hash it. That is the hash we get. Notice we also have a hyphen and a white space, so that is why we used this command here. All this command did is to trim, so we just, as you can see, there's a white space, so take the white space, remove it, and then this is just take this argument and remove it. So it is just a way of trimming, so that now we are only left with this. So of course, meaning that now we do not need to execute it ourselves. Now this means that the name of our temporary directory is /tmp/ and then this hash over here, meaning that, so this is, take a look at what happens. So this outputs the password from the official directory, so bandit pass /bandit23, and then it outputs in our newly created directory, So this is simple, because all we need to do is just, we need now to output whatever the content is. So the name is going to be this hash, and there's our password. Yeah, this was just a sneaky way of testing if you are able to read what these commands do. So as you can see, it does not really have everything to do with crons and cron tabs, but rather it tests how you're able to use them and interpret what they were doing. So in this case, all you needed to do is interpret what these commands do. Yes, so that is pretty much it. I will see you in the next video. So thank you and bye bye.